Wow.
Look at this pizza, guys. Homemade healthy pizza. So this is New Year Eve, guys. So we would like to wish you all a very happy New Year. I'm trying a pizza for the first time ever in my life, but on roti because it's New Year and we wanted to try something new as well. Sanjay. So let's see how does it turn out. This is chicken that I marinated. This is the stuff that we ordered. Mozzarella cheese. This is pizza sauce, ketchup, garlic sauce. Red onion we didn't have. We had white onion, so Sanjay likes red onion. And I like this capsicum, pineapple, and broccoli as well. But we never ordered this one. I don't know, probably they did it by mistake. This is the first time we are trying making pizza at home, but it is going to be healthy version. I want my pizza with pineapple. I love veggies. That's it. मिर्ची जो साथ में करे पसंद है ना this way. So these are the toppings and I am making chicken. The holy base. So this is whole wheat roti I cooked from the bottom and I left a little bit raw from the top. So this is the pizza tomato sauce. So I'm gonna put a little bit. We are not big fans of sauces. The idea is to make healthy pizza. How much you want, Sanjay? That's it?
Pretty nice.
More? That's it? Okay. So this. Now you spread it nicely. This is sort of nice. Okay. Next, chicken. How much you want chicken? How much chicken do you want? Chicken comes on the top, right? What do you think? Doesn't matter. Actually, the little bit of cheese. And then we'll put cheese on the top as well. Okay, so our oven is ready as well. Now, mushrooms. More mushrooms. Sanjay loves onions. I have to go generous with this. Onions. Sanjay loves broccoli. Broccoli. More and more protein, guys. Always recommend more and more protein. Cheese. I think it's ready. Cheese. So we preheated at 355. Now we are going to set it for maybe 4 minutes because we are not too sure the look that we want for our pizza. Look at this, guys. I hope it turns out like Pakistani pizza that we tried back then in 2017, but let's see. Sanjay is super excited. So it's a treat for Sanjay for the new year. So it's ready, I think. Look at this pizza, guys. Homemade healthy pizza. So Sanjay is going to try it for the first time. Karana, be careful.
जन्म भो नहीं है तिनको मर जन्म भो